Hello, welcome to the demo video of this musical instrument that I've made, which is a step synthesizer. It has 32 channels, 16 are visible. You can access the other 16 by pressing a function button. It's made with using the Teensy 3.6 Arduino compatible electronic development platform. I'll post a link about that. I'm going to offer this as a kit if there's any interest, if you want to buy it, so please leave your comments, good or bad, and like and share after watching the video. So what can we do with this thing? Well, a lot of things. First thing, obviously, you need to be able to adjust the frequency, so you can adjust the frequency and it displays the frequency as the note number, so that's A on the first octave, the MIDI note number, and the actual frequency in hertz, that's 54 hertz. The next thing you can do is when you set a step to a frequency you like, if the next note is just going to be up one or down a couple of notes, it's quite easy to copy the step to the next step and then just adjust the frequency up a couple of turns. There's a reset count which determines how many steps are played. At the moment only one step is being played, so I'll just change that to the second step, and I'm going to copy and save to the next step again, increase the reset count, turn that one up a couple, and I'm going to just do this several times. Okay, so there you see we've made a little loop. I'm just going to do it one last time. And have the last step a lot lower. I think that's right. That one's quite high. I'm going to just turn the frequency down on that one a little bit. Okay, the other thing you can do is you can adjust the speed. It's still a bit high. So that's how you make a loop. When you've made a loop, you can enable or disable steps, so you can add a bit of expression into it by doing that. And there's also a lot of things adjusting the cut-off frequency a little bit. There's an AM modulator, which I'll show you in a minute, and an FM modulator. There's also an envelope control, and you can change the attack, decay, sustain, hold, and the release. And I'm just going to increase the release there a moment. The other thing you can do is, once you've made a pattern, you can save it to memory. So I'll select that to program 1. I've got some others programmed in. If I flick quick to a pre-programmed, so you can program in, if you know the MIDI notes or note numbers, you can program in. I'll just go back to the one that I was editing. The other thing you can do is, if you have a keyboard or other piece of modular equipment, maybe with a CV gate output, you can plug that into this, and that will control the stepping. So I'll switch it into CV gate mode, and every time I press a note, so then you can then hold a note for as long as you like, and then that in this mode I can demonstrate the FM and AM modulation better. So that's the FM oscillator. I'm just going to switch it back to the manual mode. What else? There's a global, there's the clock input. There's a multiplier and divider. You can change patterns. Have it going forward, reverse. You can just play the odd numbers. The even numbers, and there's other patterns programmed in there as well. So you can mesh up the loop. Is there anything else to tell you? I don't think so. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.